Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can hide comments on your Instagram post. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and let's just go to our Instagram profile. So we can tap on the profile button right here. Then we can select a post that we want to hide the comments from, and I'm going to select this one. Tap on the post, then you can select the comments that you want to hide. You can click on the comment button. Okay, then you can select the comments right here, and for example, I'm gonna go with this comment, so we can just click on this hide option. Okay, and now as you can see that the comment has been hidden. And alright guys, that's how we can hide comments from our Instagram post. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.